I know this is very different from a regular one. My babies. So this video is about how to edit these videos, how to make these videos on your mobile without wasting time, without wasting money. Present your stories. So this is how it works. You record these small bits and pieces. Maybe 1 second or 2 second or maybe 5 second videos. For example, I record this. Like, look at this. I go like this. Okay, that becomes my transition. How you move the camera is very important. That makes your shot cool. Try and record all your bites in one go. Yeah, record. Just say it. Whatever. अगर आप थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक्स भी करते हो, it's okay. You can edit it. You can chop it off. मैं बोलता बहुत कुछ हूँ, but मैं रखता बहुत limited stuff अपने videos पे. What I believe this is good for content and all that. बहुत सारा बोलो, but रखो वही जो आपको रखना है. What is your name?
What is your name? My name is Sonal.
I do have a special child. That's my sister, and we are lucky. We consider this as a luck that we have. It's a learning. It's a long learning. I'm sure there are professionals. They edit. They do blogging and other stuff very normally and naturally. Eventually, you get used to it. After 2-3 months, and after, let's just say, producing almost 1,000 videos or 2,000 videos, you'll be pro. You'll know what to say, how to say, and how to edit these videos. Try and give movement to camera, nice and steady. Now I'll explain you on this shot, which I really like, and I'll keep on using this shot. So basically, you turn the camera like this, and then you go closer to your. Then you get really good. What's up, baby? What's up? It's time for me to go for a ride. Bye bye.